Hey guys, Jordan here. Before we dive into this video, I just want to say that you can sign up for the complete course, The Ultimate Photographer Formula, free of charge. It is an email course, so you'll get one video a day over the duration of 65 days as you progress through the course. And you can sign up for that free of charge by clicking the link in the description. Enjoy the video. All right guys, in this video, we're going to talk about video editing softwares. Now before we get started, I wanted to start off by saying, just like the equipment, the software you decide to use really doesn't matter. It's all about the story and how you decide to tell it. Luckily, editing property videos is pretty simple. It's all about taking your viewers on a simple but engaging tour of the home. So there are three main editing softwares that most people use. These are Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, and DaVinci Resolve. Each of these may look different when you open them up, but they all, for the most part, basically do the same thing. They help you assemble clips, add music, add text, and upload them. They each have other special features that make them stand out, but for most of the property videos that you will edit, you don't need any of these special features. You could even edit your property videos on some of the free video editors like iMovie or DaVinci Resolve and produce similar results. So regardless of whether you're a PC or a Mac user, the principles that we're gonna go over in this course will apply to pretty much all of them. The end result will basically be the same. Here at ListerPros, we've been 100% in the Apple ecosystem since we've started, so we prefer to use Final Cut Pro. We have also spent some time using Premiere Pro and DaVinci Resolve, but we just found that Final Cut Pro works best for us. Now, Final Cut Pro is only available for Mac users, so if you're on a PC, we would recommend testing out Premiere Pro or DaVinci Resolve and seeing which one works best for you. The main difference that stands out to everyone between these three is their price. Final Cut Pro is $300, DaVinci Resolve offers a free option that is really good, and then a premium option that unlocks more features. Premiere Pro is a monthly subscription. You can pay 20 bucks a month and have access to Premiere Pro, or spend 50 bucks a month and have access to the entire Adobe suite. But that being said, I want to remind you that for editing real estate videos, you really can't go wrong with any of these. Just find what works best for you, your budget, and your workflow. If you don't want to commit to an editing software yet, you can definitely start out just by using some of the free ones like iMovie or DaVinci Resolve. During the rest of this course, you're gonna see me editing in Final Cut Pro. Just remember that regardless of which software platform you use, you can achieve similar results. The buttons and tools will be in different places from Final Cut Pro, but a similar result can be achieved regardless of which one you select, as long as you follow the principles. All right guys, well that's gonna do it for this video. Reach out if you have any questions. We'll see you guys on the next one.